Every financial revolution starts with a spark. For our grandparents, it was credit cards. For our parents, it was online banking. And for us, it's cryptocurrencies. And this spark is already lighting a fire for a future where money is smarter, faster, and truly global. Whether it's Bitcoin being classified as digital gold or gaming tokens that allow you to turn your hobby into full-time income, I want you to leave this video with a clear picture of where this revolution is heading. In this video, I'm breaking down the top cryptocurrencies and narratives so that you can understand their potential to reshape industries and possibly your own financial future. Welcome back to Cash Lab, guys, where we research the future of tech and finance. I'm Ray, and if you are new here, welcome home. We're a smaller channel, so we appreciate every single one of you. We've been investors in blockchain projects since the 2017 bull run, and 2025 is the year that we set ourselves up for financial independence. And before we get started, I want to give you just a friendly reminder. This video is for fun and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I am just a blockchain enthusiast exploring the exciting world of Web3. And first on the list, we have the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the foundation of the crypto world, often referred to as digital gold. It's a secure, decentralized way to store wealth and send money anywhere globally. With its scarcity and independence from banks, Bitcoin is reshaping how we think about value. The second on the list, we have Ethereum, or ETH. This is the blockchain supercomputer. And Ethereum isn't just digital money. It's a platform for building decentralized applications, otherwise known as dApps or DApps. With its smart contracts, developers can automate agreements, cutting out the need for middlemen. As you can imagine, this tech is lifting industries like finance, healthcare, and entertainment to a new level they never thought was possible. And ETH is the gas that powers the Ethereum network. Number 3 on the list, we have BNB, or Binance's utility token. BNB started as a way to get discounts on trading fees on the Binance exchange, but has grown into a key part of Binance's smart chain, powering decentralized applications and enabling users to participate in new cryptocurrency launches. And BNB is also the gas that runs the Binance Smart Chain network. Number 4 on the list is two tokens. We have USDT and USDC. These stablecoins are pegged to the US dollar, providing a stable value for traders and investors during volatile market swings. They're widely used as a digital equivalent of cash in the crypto ecosystem. When a trader wants to take profits, or if a trader thinks that the market is going to have a crash, he can swap into either USDT or USDC, and his funds are safe. And 5th on the list, we have Cardano, or ADA. Cardano combines Ethereum's features with a focus on energy efficiency and rigorous peer-reviewed research. Its eco-friendly proof-of-stake system makes it a sustainable option for smart contracts and apps, or dApps. And Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson, was also a co-founder of the Ethereum project, but ended up moving on due to creative differences. Number 6 on the list, we have XRP, or Ripple. XRP is designed for fast, cost-effective international transactions, making it a favorite for financial institutions looking to move money across borders efficiently. And with 2025 setting up to be the year when we get regulation and a crypto-friendly government, XRP is positioned perfectly to be a leader in the US-based cryptocurrencies. Number 7, we have Dogecoin, or Doge, and Shiba Inu, or SHIB. These two tokens are known as the meme kings. Dogecoin started as a joke, but now serve as popular community-driven tokens. Shiba Inu has even developed its own ecosystem with ShibaSwap, a decentralized exchange. And if you are completely new to the crypto world, meme coins over the past year and a half have become a major part of this crypto bull run. Number 7, we've got one of my favorites, Solana, or Sol. Solana is a network known for its speed and low transaction costs, making it a top choice for developers creating games and financial applications. Number 9, we've got Polkadot, or DOT token. Polkadot connects blockchains, enabling them to share data and work together seamlessly. It's like a universal translator for blockchain networks. Number 10, we've got Polygon, or Matic. Polygon is an L2, or a layer 2, that is built on top of Ethereum's network. This boosts Ethereum's capabilities by reducing transaction costs and speeding up the processing times, making it more accessible for developers and users. Number 9, we have Avalanche, or Avax. Avalanche enables the creation of decentralized applications similar to Ethereum with a focus on speed and scalability. It's definitely a favorite for launching new blockchain projects, and they've positioned themselves well to become one of the top gaming networks for Web3 games. Number 12, we've got Monero, or XMR. Monero is one of the largest tokens in the privacy sector, and it offers autonomous transactions ensuring complete privacy for users who don't want their financial activities tracked or public. Number 13 is one of the hottest narratives this bull run, RWA coins, or real-world assets. Leaders in this narrative like Ondo, Swarm Markets, and Proppy are making it possible to tokenize real-world assets such as real estate, expensive artworks, commodities, and private equities. Number 14 is another hot narrative called DePIN, or Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Coins. At the top of this list, we have a project called Helium, which powers decentralized wireless networks. And some of these projects power decentralized wireless networks, allowing users to rent out extra cloud storage space, and one of the biggest is renting out GPU power to power the AI industry. These tokens are creating the physical backbone for decentralized systems. And last on this list, another hot narrative is gaming tokens. And some of the projects in the play-to-earn class of cryptocurrencies, like Axie Infinity and Gala Games, are allowing players to earn real money while playing games, turning entertainment into a potential revenue stream. And there you have it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this list. Cryptocurrencies are more than just digital coins. They're the building blocks of a decentralized future where everyone has a chance to participate and own a piece of the network. Each token we've discussed today are solving real problems. If you want to keep learning, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Otherwise, you may never see this channel again. And if you're ready for the next chapter, then check out our video on gaming tokens that we think will shine this next year by clicking right here. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.